Product lifecycle management software helps manufacturing companies control all the information about the products they make. It has the ability to connect departments and make their product data collaboration flow back and forth between them. For many companies, PLM has the potential to be the main path towards digitalization. Unfortunately, we as humans tend to make things more complicated than they need to be. But why, then, has PLM software been so hard to select and to implement, and often not as intuitive to use as it could and should have been? Because companies allow vendors to over-engineer PLM. Manufacturers become blinded by a shiny new tool and believe it will solve all of their challenges. A weak foundation is easier to overlook when features and functions are presented in a fashionable way. And once you realize your new PLM rests on a fragile platform, you are locked in, forced to accept shortcomings and limitations. We are going to change this scenario with Minerva PLM. Minerva PLM makes the complex simple. Instead of locking your data inside an over-engineered solution, we are making sure your data travels efficient and safely from A to B and back again. Minerva PLM combines the best of two worlds. Strong features in an out-of-the-box application that enables you to go live fast, with a strong, flexible platform with capabilities to rapidly adapt the solution to special or changing requirements. Simple is best. Avoid being bedazzled by a shiny new tool, and instead, keep the complex simple with Minerva PLM.